set boundaries. No, we don't. I'm searching for words, I don't know, because we dreamed of it, we just saw it virtually on big screens with our design colleagues. It's definitely special.
Where I saw the car the first time, it's like, it's a masterpiece. It's very loud.
We recorded the car with 7 microphones, inside as well as in the engine compartment.
When you see the car for the first time and when you can feel the dimension of the wing, or when you hear the first fire up, you cannot really describe it.
The material we used on the Chladni plate was actual dust from the racetrack. We went back to the studio and we sent these signals to the Chladni plate. The amazing thing about the Chladni plate is that it transforms sound waves into actual waves, and it will transform the material that you put on it into patterns.
Follows no rules.
It's full of emotions, it's a feeling you cannot really describe.
Speed, revving.
Pure 911 racing car.